Good evening. Today, we will be covering the post-market update dated the 11th of September, 2024. On September 11th, Indian markets ended weaker, with the Sensex down 398 points, 0.49%, at 81,523.16, and the Nifty slipping 122.65 points, 0.49%, to 24,918.45. Asian Paints, BAJAJ Finance, and Sun Pharma led the gains, while Tata Motors, NTPC, and Adani Ports and SEZ were the top losers. Talking about the corporate segment, we have shares of Bajaj Auto extended gains to the third straight session, rising 4% to touch an all-time high of 11,498 rupees per share on September 11th. The spurt comes on the back of heavy volumes, as around 1 million equity shares exchanged hands on both NSE and BSE in intraday deals, exceeding one-week average of 0.3 million equity shares. Over the past 1 month, the stock of this two-wheeler automaker surged over 17%, significantly beating benchmark Nifty 50's 2% rise. Recently, the company reported healthy sales figures for the month of August. It reported 16% year-on-year growth in total vehicle wholesales, including exports at 3.9 lakh units. Total domestic sales also increased by 24% year-on-year to 2.53 lakh units in August, as compared to 2.05 lakh units in the same month last year. So far in the current fiscal year, overall sales of Bajaj Auto grew by 10% year-on-year to 18 lakh units, which includes two-wheelers at 15 lakh units and three-wheelers at 2.7 lakh units. Shares of PRISM Johnson surged over 15% on September 11th to hit a fresh record high of 246 rupees on the National Stock Exchange due to a spurt in volume. So far in the day, over 7 crore shares of the company changed hands on BSE and NSE combined, compared to the 1-month trading volume of 36 lakh shares. The stock has gained around 28% so far this year. In the past 12 months, the stock has gained around 69% compared to a 28% rise seen in benchmark Nifty during the same period. PRISM Johnson is among India's largest integrated building materials companies, offering products ranging from cement and ready-mixed concrete to tiles and bath products. For the quarter ended June 2024, the company posted a loss as sluggish demand and lackluster prices in its key cement business weighed on the construction materials maker. Shoppers Stop shares scaled over 10% in trade to record a fresh lifetime high on September 11th. So far in trade, over 14 lakh shares exchanged hands in trade on the bourses, multiple times higher than the 1-month daily traded average of 76,000 shares. In the September 10th session, only 23,000 shares were traded. In August, Shoppers Stop announced a strategic collaboration with Hollywood makeup brand Max Factor. Max Factor announced the entry into brick-and-mortar retail sector in India through a strategic collaboration between House of Beauty and Shoppers Stop. A collaboration between House of Beauty and Shoppers Stop marks a significant milestone leveraging Shoppers Stop's extensive retail infrastructure and customer base, said the retail firm in a stock exchange filing. House of Beauty is a new age, specialty beauty company in India bringing international and cult beauty brands to the modern Indian consumer. Shares of Century Textiles and Industries surged over 7% to hit a fresh record high of 2,689 rupees on the National Stock Exchange. The surge came after the Aditya Birla Group-owned company acquired the ownership rights of an approximately 10-acre leasehold land parcel in Worli, Mumbai from Wajia Group chairman Nuzli Wajia for 1,100 rupees crore. With this transaction, the existing leasehold interest of Century Textiles is merged with the ownership rights. This acquisition will be developed through its wholly owned subsidiary Birla Estates Private Limited, Century Textiles said in a release. The 10-acre land parcel has a booking value potential of 14,000 rupees crore, and also paves the way for a contiguous holding of around 30 acres, which has a combined booking value potential of 28,000 rupees crore, the company said, adding that the area includes the company's Birla Nayara luxury housing development, which has had total sales of 5,700 rupees crore. Arcadeply Decor Limited in daily time frame is trading around 122.17 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 262.702 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 104.80, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 78.18. Precision Metallics Limited in daily time frame is trading around 59.40 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 440,000 shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 51.42, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 73.90. Creative New Tech Limited in daily time frame is trading around 914.10 points with a change of 20% and is trading with a net volume of around 880.815 thousand shares. The share price is trading above its moving average 798.40, which is a good indication for the stock. While shares are trading with a relative strength index of around 76.70. For the stock recommendation we have, Bharat Electronics Limited looks good and can be bought at 289 rupees, keeping a stop loss of 278 rupees and a target of 300 rupees.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.